Do you want to be better? I mean, really better. I'm Joe Templin. I'm the human Kaizen expert and the author of the Amazon Kindle #1 new release, Everyday Excellence. April 8th. Dream big. Dream without fear. Randy Pausch. If you're going to do the improbable, why not dream a little bigger and do the impossible? You need to alter your thinking and actions to achieve anything. So why not expend the effort to be significant instead of making a small improvement for success? A little dream won't scare you, but it won't inspire you either. Dream so big it scares you and motivates you to be excellent. I'm Joe Templin, the human Kaizen expert. I want you to be excellent and be better today.